Hey friends, if you wish to delete Wi-Fi network profiles from Windows, then please watch this video. I will guide you through the procedure. While we have had options to settings and all, but now it has been changed and made a very complex. So I'll give you the easiest procedure for it. Click on the system tray, click on the Wi-Fi icon. You'll find the Wi-Fi network here. Right click on it, select forget. Wi-Fi profile has been gone. Now it will only appear if it is detected separately. Click and if you wish to click on it, just connect to it again by entering the password once again. When you forget a Wi-Fi network, you are actually deleting its profile. That's what deleting a profile actually means. So this is the easiest way to do it. Other methods keep on changing with Windows updates and are very complex. Was this helpful? If yes, then please subscribe to the channel. If not, then let us know in the comment section of the video on how we could help you further. Thank you for watching this video and have a nice day.